Good morning, class. How are you doing today?
Good, Mr. Richardson.
Wonderful. Today, students, we are having an outdoor class activity so you can enjoy learning in the sunshine. We have been talking about syllable awareness, and today we are going to practice blending, segmenting, and manipulating syllables. Are you ready to get started?
Yes, Mr. Richardson.
Awesome. Let's dive into some fun learning. We will begin with blending syllables. Syllable blending is the ability to combine syllables to form a word. Let's practice blending syllables together to form a word. I am going to say two words, and I want you to blend them together to make a compound word. Foot. Ball. What compound word is that, class?
Football.
Great job on the first one. Let's try another. I am going to say two syllables or word parts, and I want you to put them together to make a two-syllable word. Nap. Kin. What two-syllable word does that make, class?
Napkin.
Wow! You guys are naturals. Let's make one more word by blending parts together. This time I will say three syllables, and I want you to blend them together to make a three-syllable word. Two. More. Row. What three-syllable word does that form, class?
Tomorrow.
I'm impressed. That's a great start to our review about syllable awareness and blending. Next, we will try segmenting syllables. Are you ready to give it a shot?
Yes, Mr. Richardson.
Fantastic. Syllable segmenting is the ability to separate words into syllables. Now we will practice segmenting words. I'm going to say a compound word, and I want you to tell me the two words you hear within that compound word. The word is baseball. What is the first word you heard in baseball?
Base.
And what was the second word you heard in baseball?
Ball.
So what two words were put together to make the compound word baseball?
Base and ball.
Good job. The compound word baseball can be segmented into base and ball. Let's try another one. I am going to say a two-syllable word, and I want you to separate or segment the syllables you hear in the word. The word is paper. What two parts or syllables do you hear in the word?
Pay and per.
That is correct, class. Let's segment one more word. I am going to say an even longer word with three syllables or parts, and I want you to segment the syllables you hear in that word. The word is cucumber. Say the word with me, class.
Cucumber.
Now what three syllables do you hear within that word?
Q. Come. Burr.
You guys are doing amazing. Now let's practice syllable manipulation. Syllable manipulation is the ability to add, delete, or change syllables within a word. Let's start with adding a syllable to a word to make a new word. If I have the word sun and I add the word shine to the end of that word, what compound word do I have?
Sunshine.
Good job. Let's try another one. If I have the word bow and I add the word rain to the beginning of that word, what compound word did it make?
Rainbow.
You guys are naturals. Now, we're going to try deleting or removing a syllable from a word. Class, say the word baseball.
Baseball.
Now, say baseball without the word base. What word do you have?
Ball.
Let's try one more of that kind of manipulation. Say the word picnic.
Picnic.
Now say the word picnic without the syllable, nick. What part of the word is left?
Pick.
Outstanding, class. We have added and deleted syllables, so this time we are going to change or substitute a syllable in a word. Say the word sunlight.
Sunlight.
Now we will change the word light in that word to the word shine. What word did we make?
Sunshine.
You guys did an amazing job blending, segmenting, and manipulating syllables today. Remember that practice makes perfect, so tonight get someone to help you practice at home. Be sure to remind the person practicing syllable awareness with you that there are three things you want to practice: blending, segmenting, and manipulating. Syllable blending is putting words or syllables together to make a word. Syllable segmenting is separating a word into its parts or syllables. And that syllable manipulation is when we add, delete, or change a part of a word to make a new word or a part of a word. You all did a great job today, and I hope you enjoyed learning outside.